Wolf Hood the blind biker, celebrating your adventures and your wife's amazing support. The rumble starts, a heartbeat strong and low. My hands grip tight, the wind begins to blow. I can't see the road, the mountains, or the bend, but on that Harley, my journey has no end. I am Wolf, the biker, though darkness fills my eyes, but with my woman beneath these African skies, a world unfolds, a tapestry I feel, the open road, a love that's fiercely real. She's my engine, she's my sight, my guiding star so bright, my Harley queen, who holds me ever tight, across the plains, through valleys deep and wide, on two strong wheels, with her right by my side. South Africa unfolds, a whisper in the breeze, living out my dream with effortless ease. She's a genius, this woman I adore, opening up the world and so much more. Of the coastal air, the Karoo's dusty heat, the vibrant towns where friendly faces meet,